from Australia who's swimming in lane 5. We'll look at the lineup there. We've got KWON from Korea, Reynolds from New Zealand, HODGE from Australia, BISKUP from Poland, actually with the quickest qualifying time, POWELL in 5, POWELL in 6, and MOZELA in 7. Paralympic record time is 1:02:39, set in London by Matthew Cowdrey. BISKUP in 4 was 4th at the World Championships. He's been making finals here in Rio, but no medal as yet. And Brendan Hall has a gold in the 400 free. He's older and stronger. This is his 3rd Paralympic Games. He's had a beautiful underwater there and off to a good start. Up and stroking, has a narrow margin. Over in lane 2, Jesse Reynolds from New Zealand is also off to a good start. And down in 6 from Brazil, the local hope, Lucas MOZELA, is also going well. But it's almost an even line across the pool. And in lane 4, it's BISKUP who's making an early charge towards that first turn, and he'll almost certainly touch in first at the 50-metre mark.
Well, yeah, indeed, it is BISKUP who touches just ahead of Reynolds for New Zealand going in lane 2. 3rd was HODGE, and Hall only 4th overall, but he can finish strongly, can Brendan Hall. But you get the sense that with the likes of Justin Zook and Matthew Cowdrey both having retired, that the medals really are up for grabs here, and it's anybody's race. Somebody just needs to stick their hand up. At the moment in the heat, certainly looking strong is the Polish swimmer Patryk BISKUP.
Well, Patryk BISKUP on the hunt for his first medal of these games. Look how he's finished. It's been a sensational final 25. He'll finish a half body length in front of Hall, who is in the next lane, so it may be Australia 2 and 3, but BISKUP easily taking the win, and he'll get a lot of confidence from that swim heading into the final. The time, 1:05 flat. So well outside the record time, but that's not what he needed to do to get through to the final. And he's shown he is a very realistic medal prospect. HODGE there from Australia also had a solid swim. There wasn't a lot in it at the wall.
Well, BISKUP just looked very calm and composed, very relaxed. Hall trying to use that underwater as he does, and in the end did have a stronger back end as we suspected he might, and touches 2nd overall.
BISKUP, who's 18, the winner of Heat 1, and Hall, HODGE, Reynolds, POWELL, MOZELA and KWON rounding out the results in that heat. The bit of a nervous wait